Hey guys, what's up? Josh and Hunter here with Josh and Hunter's Adventures. We're in the garden again today. We're planting green beans. Tell you what we got here. We're going to plant some half runners. These are white half runners. These come from Turner Seed Company out of Kentucky. We're going to be planting some big kahuna beans. They come from Burpee Gardens. The big kahunas, they can get up to 11 inches long. They're a great big long bean. They're a bush bean. The half runners, they will have to be staked. They will run quite pretty high, so we'll have to put some stakes down for that. The bush bean, the big kahuna, it shouldn't get but about 2 or 3 feet tall, but we'll have some stakes up in case they do want to run. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to run your tiller down through the rows, break up the ground, get it real good and loose. So we're going to show you how to do that. You guys stick with us. We're about to plant some green beans. Alright guys, so I've got the tiller all run through the row here. I'm going to run through, just level up the ground really good. We'll show you the next step on planting them. Just want to make sure your soil's good and broke up. Okay guys, I got the rows all leveled out real good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these stakes right here and I'm going to try to make a straight row. I've got a few, so I'm going to run down through there, maybe, I don't know, probably every 10 feet or so, put one. That way I can get a good straight row down through here. Alright guys, so you can see I've got stakes in here, but what we're going to do is I've just got the end of this rake right here. Just you can use any handle right here, and basically what I'm going to do is about every 3 to 4 inches I'm just going to stab a hole into the ground, just like that right there, all the way down through here. And Hunter's going to go through right behind me and he's going to drop 2 beans in each hole. What happens is just in case one of them doesn't germinate and it doesn't grow, we've got another bean in there. So, and if we have to, we can go through and thin it out just a little bit. So I'm going to go through, and every 3 to 4 inches, like I said, I'm going to make a hole probably about 2 inches deep. Hunter's going to go in right behind me, and that way we can work as a team and get it done here. Alright guys, so I wanted to get a video of what's going on right here with Hunter. Okay, like I said, he's taking 2 beans. You can see he's going to drop 2 beans in the hole right here. The camera can go in there and look. Okay, alright. And that's all we're going to do. So afterwards, what I'll do is I'll go through with this rake and I'll rake the holes back over. But we're going to go through and we're going to finish this row, and then we'll show you what we do, cover them up. Alright guys, so we got beans down in the holes. Like I said, probably 1.5 to 2 inches deep. That's about what I went. You can take a rake or a hoe, whatever you want, and just take some dirt and fill in the holes, just, you know, flush. Just pull them over, pull the dirt right back over it. Alright guys, so we got the holes covered up, got the beans in there. Like I said, I've got these stakes. Mainly what it was for is to get me somewhat of a straight row to plant the beans. But if these beans do get really tall, that way I can be able to run my wire down through here and let them run. You definitely want, if they're going to get real tall and run, you definitely want to let them run up something. But like I said, I've got it spaced apart where if I need to, I can go in between every stake and put another stake in there and run my wire down through there. I'll give you a little secret though. If you're going to plant a lot of beans, you might want to spread it out, okay? Look at your signs, go to the Farmer's Almanac, look at your signs, because if you plant every bit of your beans at one time, it'll work you to death. You have to be picking, stringing, breaking, canning. I mean, it's a lot of work. Same thing with just like corn. If you plant it all at one time, it's probably all going to come in at the same time. So you may want to think about that if you guys plan on planting quite a bit of beans. This is our first row we're going to plant. We got some more we're going to plant, but it will be a little bit later on, probably a couple more weeks. Like I said, look at your signs, go to the Farmer's Almanac, and look at what are your best times to plant, okay? We're currently in April right now, so like I said, always go by that. It's a good idea to do that. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this video. Like I said, beans are not really hard to take care of. They just have to be, if they're going to run real tall, like a pole bean, you're going to have something for them to run up, or they're just going to be laying on the ground everywhere. Guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Me and Hunter are trying to put out as many videos as we can each week. We're going to do more gardening stuff. We're going to be planting a whole lot more different things: corn, tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers. We're going to show you how we do all that. Guys, go down, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. That way you know the next time we put out a video. Guys, this is Josh and Hunter for Josh and Hunter's Adventures. We'll see you next time.